Bruce Dixon from Charlotte, North Carolina. I play quarterback, and this is my Under the Radar Spotlight. I say my biggest strengths as a quarterback are being able to pre-snap, tell what the defense is going to do. At Dartmouth, we honed in on looking at safety rotation, alignment, count leverage and numbers to make sure that we're in the best offensive play. Yeah, I'm 6'5", 245 pounds. Short-term goals are to get in the door at the FBS program, show them what I can do in the off-season when I have to sit out, and just make strides in the weight room and show the coaches my ability to read the defense and things of that nature. Yeah, so I think that I'm a very sociable guy, able to fit in well with the team. Also, I'm able to lead by example as well as lead out there on the field.
Under the Radar Sports Media, the hottest sports videos in the nation.
Turn up, man!